Most people get this wrong when choosing project management software. They think the most expensive tool is the best one, or that every feature automatically means better results. But here's the truth no one tells you. The best project management software is not the most advanced one. It is the one your team will actually use every single day. In this video, you will learn the best project management software for small businesses in 2026, how they work, and which one fits your needs without wasting money or time. Let's get right into it. First, understand what project management software actually does. It helps you organize tasks, track progress, assign work, and manage deadlines in one place. So when Alex runs a small marketing agency, he can see exactly what his team is working on without sending endless messages. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most tools look similar on the surface, but the way they handle workflow, simplicity, and automation is what really matters. But here's the problem most small business owners face. They pick a tool that is too complicated. Then the team stops using it, and everything goes back to spreadsheets and chat apps. Let's break down the top types of tools you will see in 2026. First, simple task-based tools. These are great for beginners. They let you create tasks, assign them, and track completion. If John runs a small online store, he can use this to manage daily operations without confusion. Second, visual board tools. These use drag and drop boards where you move tasks from to do to do. This is very helpful for teams that want clarity at a glance. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake people make when setting up their first project board, and this is where most teams lose productivity. Third, advanced project tools. These include timelines, automation, reporting, and integrations. They are powerful, but only useful if your team is already organized. Now let's talk about the key software options in 2026. Tools like Trello, Asana, ClickUp, and Monday.com are still among the most popular. Trello is simple and beginner-friendly. Asana is better for structured teams. ClickUp is powerful but can feel overwhelming. Monday.com is strong for visual planning and automation. So, how do you choose the right one? Step 1 is simplicity. If your team is small, do not overcomplicate it. Step 2 is workflow. Ask how your team naturally works and choose a tool that matches it. Step 3 is consistency. The best tool is useless if your team does not actually update it. Here's a real example. Alex tries ClickUp because it looks powerful, but his team finds it confusing and stops using it. Then he switches to Trello, and suddenly everyone stays on track because it is simple and visual. So is there one best project management software in 2026? No. The best choice depends on your team size, complexity, and how you work. To wrap it up, the best project management software for small business in 2026 is the one that keeps your team organized, reduces confusion, and is simple enough that everyone actually uses it every day. If this helped you understand your options, like the video, leave a comment with your business type, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you build and manage your business smarter.